I eat glitter for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it's not because I want to, it's because I dropped a jar of glitter and now it is everywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to the craft table. And if you are new here, I want to say a big welcome and I hope you enjoy. So, today's tutorial is a Druzy Stone Retro Necklace. I had to look up what Druzy Stone meant. I didn't know. And it is the bumpy stones in a geode. You know, the ones that are all different colors, you never know what you're going to get, and they've got the sparkly and they're all bumpy. Well, we're going to make those, and they are so easy. Here, let's get right into it. Okay, this is what we're going to need. Necklace bezels. I bought these off of Amazon quite a while ago. They are not in their original package. I don't know the company. I am sorry. And they don't have to be hearts. Any type of bezel that you want to use, as long as it's a bezel of some sort, has to have a ridge. Triple thick. Now, you do not have to have triple thick. You can use resin. You can use your favorite type of glue that will dry clear. You do want a clear drying glue, and one that I don't advise hot glue, because the heat, if you're going to wear it as a necklace, the heat of your body will make that soft and maybe sag a little bit. Something that's going to dry nice, hard, and clear. And I use triple thick for anything just about that has to do with glitter. Speaking of, you need glitter. Your favorite colors, anything that you've got around. I've got a dark blue, and a light blue, and these these are not the containers they came in. No, these are just regular from Sulin, I think it's called. I pick these up at Walmart whenever they go on sale, all the different colors. But you pick two of your favorite colors and make them a dark and a light. The dark will not be as brilliant, I guess is the word. Dark on dark doesn't show too many colors, but it is totally up to you. I'm going to be using some of this iridescent. This is just regular glitter. Like, this is the fine glitter. This is just regular, the chunky, I guess you'd call it. Iridescent. I've had this forever. I'm gonna say I probably got it at Walmart many years ago. I'm not sure. And I also have some super ultra fine. This is the ultra fine, and this is not that important. I like to take a little tiny bit at the very end and sprinkle it on top. It is the iridescent also, and it's just like a pinch of salt, and I sprinkle it on top to give it just that extra little sparkle. Not necessary. You're going to need a couple toothpicks. At least I did. My glue is in a big jar, and I use a toothpick to stick it in and put it where I want it. I use the spoons for the glitter, my special handy dandy little wood block, and the reason I'm using a wood block is this little loop here on my bezel is below the edge, so if I were to lay this down, it would not lay flat. So everything would kind of want to run down towards the end. If I lay it on the block with the loop hanging over, it's going to lay flat. So that is what my special handy dandy, and it's already sparkly for me, magic block is. And of course, paper towels to cover your workstation. And I will tell you now that you're going to be using glitter, so you can saran wrap everything in your house. That glitter is still going to find it. So anyway, this is what you need. And let me show you what we're going to end up with at the end. Look at this. Can you see that? How pretty that is. To me, it's very retro. To you, it's probably not. But I can remember back when I was young. But these stones like this were very, very popular. And yes, that was, you know, after cave paintings. But yes, this is what we're going to end up with. And all it is a bezel, some glue, and glitter. And it's so super simple. So, shall we get to work and make our own retro Druzy Stone necklace? There they are. There is our new blue Druzy Stone Retro Necklace. And I'm going to keep calling them retro just because I like that. But there it is. And how easy. With a little bit of glue, some glitter, and a bezel. Yeah, those are beautiful. What beautiful gifts. I don't know a girl that wouldn't love that. It just sparkles. I wish my camera would pick this up, the sparkle in it. But how easy. There we go. I am going to be making more. They are so stinking easy to make and so beautiful. Yeah, this is a keeper for sure. Alright, so I really want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day and spending it with me, and I really hope you enjoyed these, and I hope you were able to find just that little spark of inspiration to get that imagination going. And also, if you enjoyed these tutorials and would like to see more, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so it might tell you when I upload a new video. And if you have any ideas, I am always on the lookout for inspiration. Leave me a comment. Ask, tell me what you would like me to try. I am always game to try new things. So, you guys, like I said, I really appreciate you showing up here every time. And you people that are new, and I really hope you have a great week. And I will see you soon, I promise. Bye-bye now.